Okay, moving right along with the Christmas festivities on Dave's Cooking Show. Here's a Cranberry Walnut Slaw, perfect for your get-together with the family or a office potluck. All right, first thing we want to do is a half a cup of vegetable oil goes in a bowl, followed by a half a cup of white vinegar. Then you're going to want to grab a third of a cup of white sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of dried mustard, and then of course pepper to taste. And then you just want to stir this around, and basically you just want to set this aside while we assemble the slaw. You might have to re-stir it just a little bit just before you use it. All right, let's move on to the next step. All right, let's make the slaw itself. Get a bowl, a fairly large bowl, and add a half of large onion chopped, 1 stalk of celery chopped, half a cup of craisins, half a cup of chopped walnuts, and then add a bag of coleslaw. And yeah, I know I use prepackaged coleslaw. Go fuck yourself. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper to the coleslaw. A little more liberal on the pepper. Just want to mix this around. Dump the dressing in, give it a stir, and serve. That's Cranberry Walnut Slaw. Done.